Downloading your account data from Google is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you can access your information easily. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account page and sign in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Access data and personalization. Once signed in, navigate to the Data and Personalization section in the left-hand menu. This area contains various options related to your account data. Step 3. Go to Download your data. Scroll down to find the Download your data option. Click on it to start the process of selecting which data you want to download. Step 4. Select data to download. You will see a list of Google services with checkboxes. Choose the specific data you want to download by checking the appropriate boxes. You can also select the file type and size preferences. Step 5. Create export. After making your selections, click on the Next button. Review your choices and then click Create Export. Google will prepare your data, which may take some time, and you will receive a notification when it's ready for download. Once you have completed these steps, you will have your Google account data downloaded for your records.